A snail can literally sleep for 3 years if weather conditions aren't right. No alarm clock, no waking up, just a solid 36-month nap waiting for the world to get better. When temperatures drop or food becomes scarce, snails secrete a mucus that hardens to form a protective barrier called an epiphragm over the shell opening. This barrier is composed of dried mucus, sometimes reinforced with calcium. During hibernation, snails slow their metabolism to an almost standstill, conserving energy and resources. They don't eat during dormancy. They rely on stored energy reserves to survive. It's like hitting pause on life itself. In extreme cases, with long periods of extreme weather, snails sleep for 3 years, though it's not very common. A snail could spend 1/3 of its entire life sleeping. Imagine waking up 12 years older having done nothing. And here's what makes this even crazier. The epiphragm prevents moisture loss from the snail's body, protects against predators, and creates a controlled microenvironment inside the shell. They're basically sealed survival pods. Which snail fact shocked you most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.